Hey everyone, welcome back to Investosphere, your ultimate guide to financial freedom. Imagine waking up one day to find that a single investment has turned you into a millionaire. Sounds unreal? Well, it's happened before, and today we're going to talk about 5 legendary stocks that created overnight millionaires. These companies changed lives, and who knows? The next millionaire stock could be waiting for you right now. So, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay till the end because I'll also share how to find the next big stock. If you could go back in time and invest in just one stock, which one would it be? Let me know in the comments. Stock 1, Amazon, the e-commerce John. First on our list is Amazon. When Amazon went public in 1997, it was just an online bookstore. But those who invested back then, well, let's just say they're probably retired now. Amazon's IPO price in 1997, $18 per share. Today, after stock splits, over 100,000% return. $1,000 invested in 1997 would be worth over $1 million today. The lesson? Invest in companies that are disrupting industries. Amazon changed how we shop forever. If you had invested in Amazon early, what would you have done with your profits? Stock 2, Tesla, the electric revolution. Next up, Tesla, the company that redefined the auto industry and made Elon Musk a household name. When Tesla went public in 2010, very few believed in electric cars. Tesla's IPO price, $17 per share. Today's value, over 24,000% return. $5,000 invested in 2010 would now be worth over $1.2 million. Tesla proved that betting on the future can pay off big. Do you think Tesla will continue to grow, or has it peaked? Comment below. Stock 3, Bitcoin, the digital gold. All right, I know Bitcoin isn't technically a stock, but it's impossible to ignore. Early Bitcoin investors turned small investments into millions, even billions. Bitcoin price in 2010, 8 cents per coin. Bitcoin's peak in 2021, over $60,000 per coin. $100 in Bitcoin in 2010 equals over $75 million today. The takeaway? Sometimes revolutionary technology looks crazy at first, but early believers win big. If you had bought Bitcoin in 2010, at what price would you have sold it? Stock 4, Apple, the tech titan. Of course, we can't talk about life-changing stocks without mentioning Apple. From the iPod to the iPhone, Apple has shaped modern technology. Apple's IPO price in 1980, $22 per share. Today's value, over 100,000% return. A $10,000 investment in Apple in the 1980s would be worth over $50 million today. Apple's lesson? Invest in innovation and strong leadership. Are you an Apple investor? If so, how long do you plan to hold? Stock number 5, Nvidia, the AI powerhouse. Last but not least, Nvidia, the company behind the graphics chips powering AI, gaming, and data centers. Nvidia's IPO price in 1999, $12 per share. Recent surge, over 100,000% growth. $1,000 invested in 1999 would now be worth over $10 million. Nvidia teaches us that emerging technologies like AI and gaming are massive wealth creators. Do you think AI stocks are the future? Let's discuss below. So, there you have it, 5 stocks that turned ordinary people into millionaires. The real question is, what's the next millionaire maker stock? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Investosphere, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next big investing opportunity. Drop a comment below and let me know which stock on this list surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy investing!